Hello everyone, you're welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to whiten your teeth at home, and this remedy is just for everyone and you ought to know it too. So I'll be going ahead to show you the remedies I'll be using, which I have my items here. I have my Colgate, I have my brush, I have my coconut oil, I have my cornstarch, and I have my plate here. So the first thing I'll be needing today in this video is just 1 teaspoon of my salt. This is my white salt. So I'll be adding just 1 teaspoon of my salt inside a free bowl. Okay, then the second thing I'll be needing is my Colgate toothpaste. This Colgate toothpaste is a whitening toothpaste, which is very good when it comes to removing dental plaque, when it comes to removing teeth tartar, and when it comes to removing all those dead materials that has been stuck in your teeth for a very long time. So I'm gonna add this half teaspoon of my Colgate inside my white salt. So I'll make sure I mix everything thoroughly well. Then for the sake of those that are just stopping by my video, please consider subscribing. Then the next thing I'll be adding is my 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. No, just 2 teaspoons, sorry. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of my coconut oil, still inside the mixture where I have my white salt and my Colgate toothpaste. That's the first teaspoon. Then the second teaspoon is what I've been added to the mixture. So I'm gonna stir this thoroughly well. So I'll go ahead and stir this mixture well. Then after this, my coconut oil. Once I'm done stirring my coconut oil, I'll go ahead and add my cornstarch. So this cornstarch is called a label here in Nigeria. So I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of my cornstarch, still inside the mixture. So I don't know what is taking the spoon, whether it's my Colgate, but once I mix everything well, it's gonna be mixed thoroughly well. I just added small of my cornstarch after the 1 teaspoon of the cornstarch due to the quantity I have handy. So I'll go ahead and stir everything thoroughly well. Once I'm done stirring, everything will be pure white. Then I'll make sure it's thoroughly stirred, that's mixed together, everything is mixed together. Then this gonna help to get rid of dental plaque in just 3 minutes at home. And this is the best teeth whitening home remedy that you can try, and it works super fast. Then for the sake of those that has the dental plaque, that has been suffering from this, you can go ahead and make use of this home remedy. You can try this maybe 3 times or twice in a day using this homemade remedy. This is gonna help to get rid of those dental plaque and all those gummy dental, all those dirt that has been sticked on your dental root for a very long time. So I'll go ahead and show you how to brush with this. So this is how I brush with this. So I'm using my brush now to brush, to show you how to brush. Then you go ahead and scrub it well. Okay, then this should be repeated more, if possible, every blessed day. While brushing, you use this home remedy to brush. This gonna help to get rid of those dead cells that's been clogged in your dental root for a long time. So please, for the sake of those that are just stopping by, consider to subscribe and as well turn on the notification bell. Give my video a huge thumbs up, and thanks so much for watching. Love you guys all. Bye bye.